Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to English with 8C. Today we will learn a daily English conversation called meeting a new friend. Listen carefully, repeat after me and practice every sentence aloud. Let's get started. Hello, is this seat free? Hello, is this seat free? Yes, it is. Please sit down. Yes, it is. Please sit down. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. My name is Aisha. My name is Aisha. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Ali. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Are you new here? Are you new here? Yes, I joined it last week. Yes, I joined it last week. That's nice. That's nice. What about you? What about you? I have been here for 6 months. I've been here for 6 months. Really? That's great. Really? That's great. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Karachi. I'm from Karachi. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm from Hyderabad. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. Which subject do you study? Which subject do you study? I study computer science. I study computer science. That's interesting. That's interesting. What about you? What about you? I study English literature. I study English literature. That's a very nice subject. That's a very nice subject. Thank you. Thank you. Why did you choose it? Why did you choose it? Because I love reading books. Because I love reading books. That's a good reason. That's a good reason. Do you enjoy studying? Do you enjoy studying? Yes, especially technology related subjects. Yes, especially technology related subjects. That's great. That's great. Do you speak English every day? Do you speak English every day? Not every day, but I try. Not every day, but I try. Practice is very important. Practice is very important. I agree. I agree. How do you improve your English? How do you improve your English? I watch English videos and read short stories. I watch English videos and read short stories. That's a smart way to learn. That's a smart way to learn. How do you practice? How do you practice? I learn new vocabulary and speak in front of a mirror. I learn new vocabulary and speak in front of a mirror. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Thank you. Thank you. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like playing cricket and reading books. I like playing cricket and reading books. I enjoy reading books too. I enjoy reading books too. What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? I like motivational books. I like motivational books. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Which app do you use the most? Which app do you use the most? I use YouTube the most. I use YouTube the most. Me too. Me too. There are many educational videos there. There are many educational videos there. That's true. That's true. What are your future plans? What are your future plans? I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher. That's a great profession. That's a great profession. Thank you. Thank you. I want to become a software engineer. I want to become a software engineer. I wish you success. I wish you success. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was nice to talking to you. It was nice to talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. It was nice talking to you too. Let's meet again. Let's meet again. Sure. Sure. Goodbye. 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 Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Great guys, I hope you enjoyed today's English conversation lesson. Practice this dialogue regularly to improve your speaking skills. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Accent. See you in the next lesson. I love you.